Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the February Look Fantastic box. Yesterday I unboxed the January box. I have it right there. Anyway, if you guys want to see what we got in the February Look Fantastic box, then keep on watching. What? Kind of matches my eyeshadow. Okay, let's see. I have no idea what's in this box. So this is how the box looks like this month. Such a pretty color. As I said, it kind of matches my eyeshadow, like this part right here. Let's see the message of the month, I guess. You are loved. You are worthy. Exactly what I said yesterday. If you guys watched my previous video, you are magical. That's almost exactly what I said, and I had no idea. So yeah, you are loved, you are worth it, you are beautiful as you are, like as you are, and perfect and beautiful and talented and gorgeous and creative, and you are art. So in yesterday box, we didn't got the info card, and honestly I don't know what's going on. So this is the It's Time to Be Your Own Soulmate, and as we can see they changed a little bit the format, and let's see what we have inside. Okay, quite a lot of products. 6 products. So I'm going to start first with this Balanced Me, and actually they did send a similar product. This is the Bakuchol smoothing serum. I love it. It's so nice on the skin. And now we got the glow mask. I'm just kidding. It's the AHA glow mask. Okay, so let's see how much this is. I don't think they included the prices anymore. Okay, so it looks like this. This is the one that I got. And yeah, it has 10 milliliters. Again, we don't have the prices. Tube made with over 50% post-consumer recycled plastic. That's gorgeous. A triple action chemical exfoliation mask with skin brightening free acids to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. It says 99.4 natural, and we never test on animals. So this is a face mask. I'm not gonna swatch it on my hand, and I do really like it when they send sealed products. Beautiful. So yeah, I don't know the price. Probably I'm going to include it here on the screen or maybe down below. Moving on, I'm going to go with this Wipeout. This is by the brand Magn, and I know I've got, oh yeah, I think I've got them before, but they were pink. It comes with 2-pack Wipeout Swipes. Eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Removes makeup with just water. Honestly, I have to say that, wait a second, mine is a little bit dirty because I used it earlier today, but I do really like the face halo instead of these. These are way too thin, and they kind of, I don't know, it's a little bit annoying, but these are a little bit more thick. I know they are a little bit more expensive as well, but you get a lot of uses, and you can send them back to Face Halo because they will recycle them. So I have to give it a shout out because I love them so much. I need to get into the habit to use them more because I still use makeup wipes, but I need to use less and less makeup wipes. So that's that. These are super thin, as I said. They are not bad. They look like fluffy pads, and they do feel fluffy. Oh my god, I told you they did send them before, but they are pink. As you can see, I haven't used them because I do love the face halo more. But yeah, okay. Eco-friendly grab and hold microfibers, reusable, and you don't need to use chemicals like makeup removers, whatever. So yeah, this is interesting, but I'm not into it. Miss Cusi, I'm sorry. Moving on, I'm going to go with this SOS Mádara. I am very familiar with this brand again. This was an eye cream they sent a while ago. I still have a lot because I feel like it does nothing for me, so yeah. So this is the Hydra Recharge Cream. Dehydrated and stressed skin, all types. Scientifically proven to rehydrate skin. Okay, interesting. Intense moisture locking cream infused with age-defying antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. Hydrates, replenishes, and calms dehydrated and stressed skin to restore youthful radiance. Yes, I want that. And I think you do too. It was two options for this. Either you got the Mádara one, either you got the Papaya Enzyme peel from Elemis, and I feel like this is a little bit more expensive. I'm going to go with this tiny little thing. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is by the brand. What's this? Hair. This is by the brand Galactic. This is a lip gloss. You see how tiny this is? Matches my top. Anyway, I'm sorry. This is a lid gloss. My bad. Cream eyeshadow. Shimmer and shine. So I think I got the shade Zodiac. So again, there were two options, either this one or a silver one in the shade Stardust. So I got this one right here. I don't know if you can see the color, but I'm going to open it because it sounds interesting. A liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. We like that. Mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. I'm not really into cream eyeshadows. They act kinda weird on me. They do crease a lot. They never dry out. Overall, bad experience, but I'm open to try new ones, like other brands, whatever. The color is so gorgeous. Let me just a tiny little bit. Oh, I'm going to use my finger. Okay, the color is so beautiful. It doesn't smell. I feel like the camera doesn't pick. This is beautiful, and it has shimmers and glitters. Depending on how the light hits, it looks like a little bit awkward, and I'm not into that look. But as I said, maybe you can build this up and you have a little bit of time to move it around because it's not that fast drying. As I said, it doesn't smell. I don't know why I keep smelling it. But as you can see, depending on how the light hits, it looks weird. I'm not about that look, but when the light hits properly, it's shiny, sparkly, so beautiful. I don't know, I guess I have to try it on my eyes to see. Now it's completely dry. We have two more products. I'm going to go with this one. This is by the brand Illamasqua, and this is a mini Beyond Veil primer. I do really like this brand, but I haven't tried that many products from them. This one has 6 milliliters. Again, super tiny. I do really like the packaging, like so cute. So it looks like this. The color is very interesting. I bet this is a moisturizing type of primer. Let me swatch a little bit. This is how it looks on the back of my hand. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I guess this is more like a hydrating type of primer. It's not blurring whatsoever. Well, the scent is not that. Okay, let me see if we have any information about the products. Of course we do. I'm so stupid. I'm beyond stupid. I'm so sorry. So yeah, it says combining two of Illamasqua, I don't know how to say that, hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder. What? This face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day, whilst also providing a luminous, natural looking glow. Yeah, very interesting, and it leaves that tacky feeling behind, so I feel like the foundation will stick to it. I'm interested to try this. And we have one more product, and I think this is a hand cream. Hand and body butter. This is by the brand Bubble Tea, and I think we got some bath salt in the past, which I did send them to my sister because we do not have a bathtub. Anyway, so this is pretty large. It has 50 milliliters, and it's the strawberry macaroon, smooth and nourish with this uplifting hand and body butter. I love that. I want to smell it. I bet it smells like crazy delicious. It's sealed. Amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh Jesus, can I try this? My mouth is watering right now. Absolutely delicious. Like, as I said, my mouth is watering. Jesus. A thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with a detectable strawberry scent. Delicious. Treat, soothe and refresh dry skin. Cruelty free and parabens free. Strawberry extracts and essential oils. Oh my god, the scent is like wow. I do really want to taste that because it smells so freaking delicious. So yeah, you guys, this is what we got in the February LookFantastic box. Let me see if they include the sneak peek for the next month. Yeah, this is the sneak peek. What's coming up? So they do include the prices in the sneak peek. What's that? Your March beauty box is focused on female empowerment. We love that. And living a life without boundaries. Yes, biatch. Christoph Robin regenerating hair mask. I do love hair stuff, so LookFantastic, if you're watching my videos, please include more hair stuff because my hair needs all the moisture and all the love in the world because I've lost so much hair. I have like 3 hairs in my head. Anyways, yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.